This is your Daitsu wired controller, the one that runs your air conditioning. It has 9 keys. Along the top, minus, the power button, and plus. And below, 2 rows, function, fan and enter. Then timer, swing and mode. Those 9 keys do everything. Let's go through them one at a time, no rush. First things first, switching it on. Press the power button. The screen lights up and the unit starts. To switch it off, press that same button again. One button does both. With the unit running, the next thing is choosing what you want it to do. Press the mode key. Each press changes the mode, and it cycles round. The first one is automatic. The unit decides on its own whether to cool or heat. The snowflake is cooling. The droplet is dry mode, it takes moisture out of the air. The fan symbol is fan only, it just moves the air, no cooling, no heating. And the sun is heating. Depending on your unit, you may also see floor heating, 3D heating, or space heating. The controller only shows the modes your unit actually has. Now the temperature. With the unit running, press plus to raise it. And minus to lower it. Each press moves it by half a degree or 1 degree. If you hold your finger down, it runs on its own, every 3/10 of a second. The fan key sets how hard the fan works. Each press moves it up a step, low, medium, medium high, and high. The little bars on the right of the screen tell you which one you're on. If you're in a hurry, there's turbo. Press function until turbo flashes. Then press enter to turn it on. It works the same for nearly every function. Function finds it, enter confirms it. The swing key moves the louvres to spread the air around. With the unit running, press it and the louvres start moving up and down. Press it again and they stop. The timer makes the unit switch itself on or off. Press timer. You'll see our flashing. With plus and minus you choose how many hours, from half an hour up to 24, in half-hour steps. Press timer again to save it. And if one day you want it gone, press timer once more and it cancels. There are 2 functions that really earn their keep at night. The first is quiet mode. It brings down the noise of the outdoor unit. Press function until the quiet icon flashes, then confirm with enter. The second one is sleep mode. The unit adjusts the temperature through the night so you sleep comfortably. Same as before, function until the moon flashes, then enter. Do note that in auto, fan only and floor heating, sleep mode is not available. If there are children at home, you can lock the controller. Press plus and minus together and hold for 5 seconds. The padlock appears and the other keys stop responding. To unlock it, exactly the same, plus and minus for another 5 seconds. Here's a trick almost nobody knows, finding out the real temperature in the room. On the home screen, hold enter down for 5 seconds. The controller shows you the indoor temperature for 5 seconds, then goes back on its own. And finally, the filter reminder. When this icon lights up, the unit is telling you it's time to clean the filter. A dirty filter cools worse, heats worse, and costs more to run. Once you've cleaned it, press the power button twice quickly, in under a second, and the reminder clears. If yours is the WC6 model, it also has Wi-Fi and you can run it from your phone with the Daitsu Plus app. The app handles the everyday things, on and off, mode, temperature and fan speed. And one last important thing. If an odd code with letters and numbers comes up on the screen, that's a fault warning. If that happens, switch the unit off and call us. Don't leave it running with a warning on the screen. We are JSL Mallorca, in Mallorca. If you have any questions about your system, or you'd like us to service it, call us or drop us a line. And to see what else we do, have a look at jslorca.com.